welcome to my creation up. My name's Linda and today I have a couple of yarn hauls to share with you. They're only tiny ones, but I was watching Daniel and Ash a couple of weeks ago and they told me about, they told us in the video about this company. It's called, Shirley's Wools here in the UK, and they had an offer on the Cedar colour wheel dazzle, and they were $3.99 for a cake. So guys, I bought 4 of these. They are 150 grams, 520 meters, 568 yards, 78% acrylic, 19% wool and 3% polyester. It was made in Turkey under license for Cedar, and you get a free scarf pattern, can you see? And this is shade number 505. So you've got the greys, the greens, the creams, and I bought 4 of them and they were only $3.99. So they're not all the same, they've all got different middles, so if I wanted to do something I think I might have to colour control them. But yeah, so I got 4 of them. Yeah, they're all different centres, so I think when I use these I'm going to have to colour control them. But I've got, so how much, 500, so I've got 1,000, I've got over 2,000 yards, which is good, isn't it? So I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this yet. I might just make a blanket. In fact, this would be nice for baby blankets, wouldn't they? I might make a blanket, a couple of baby blankets, so they're ready. Mind you, it's got the sparkle in it, so maybe not. And it is it a 3-weight or a 4-weight? Is it DK? Oh, it's a 3-weight. But it's a nice 3-weight. Let me see if I can find the centre. So it's a nice 3-weight. So yeah, so I got 4 of them, and then so that cost me £15.96 British pounds, and I paid £3.25, which was I paid for tracking, and it didn't take long to get here. So I've had it a couple of weeks, guys. I've been that busy. I've not had a chance to do the videos like I wanted. And then you all know I love Bramblewood yarn. I absolutely, and they're based here in my hometown of Warrington in the UK. So I treated myself to 2 cakes. So let's see if I can get in it. Let me get in it. Yeah. Well wrapped, I tell you that now. I don't want to rip it. Oh yes! Oh gosh! Oh my lord! So let me see if I can get let me get my bill. Like me scissors, guys, they're for a lefty. They're for left-hander. Because obviously I'm left-handed. Yeah, it's really nice. It took me a while to get used to them because I've always used right-handed scissors, so to speak, the normal. And so it took me a while to get used to this. So I paid £14.97. And there are 1,000 yards, 1,000 yards, but it's 4 strand, and these little what are they? embellishment. Well, it's a wooden, what do you call them? Charms. When you're using the yarn, they keep the, always keep that on the yarn because they keep the strands together. And this is a 50-50, so it's 50% acrylic, 50% cotton. Recommended hook size is a 2.5mm to a 4. And it is JUM004. And actually a 30-degree hand wash, and it's 267 grams, which is 1,000 yards or 1,000 meters. And I really like the colours on that. I just wanted something a bit different. But then I haven't got a cream, guys. I haven't got a cream at all. So I got this one, but I asked for the sparkle to be added. I'm not sure if you can see the sparkle. Let me see if I can get a bit. I'm not sure if you can you see the sparkle, guys? I hope you can. And again, it's the same specs, but look at that lovely little leaf charm. So I know this is cream and rainbow. So I asked for the rainbow stellina with the cream, and I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to make a shawl with it. I've not decided which shawl I'm going to do yet, but it is going to be a shawl, so I'm really looking forward to that. Yeah, so these are my treat for myself. What I like to do is when I get my pension, I always treat myself, and these are my treats for this month. Yay! So I got a nice thank you card. It says, "Thank you, Linda, happy crafting and have a lovely day, Ola." So I'm so excited. And then I got Eco with, what is this? Coffee soap bar sample. Oh, isn't that lovely? Let me just take it out. Ooh, nice. Oh, look at that, guys. Isn't that lovely? Oh, it smells really nice. Ooh, very, very nice. And it says, "Because I want to see your face with a smile." Isn't that lovely? And I certainly got a smile on my face. So yeah, guys, it's just a small haul, but I will give you the link to Bramblewood yarns. I highly recommend them. I am already using one of their yarns on a wrap that I'm doing, a knitted wrap. I highly, highly, highly recommend them. She does post worldwide. She has got a Facebook group as well, and a Facebook page. And yeah, and I want to thank Gina, Knitting Turnpike, because that lovely lady is the one who told me about, and it's funny because Gina's all the way in Texas and I'm in Warrington, and this lovely lady lives in Warrington, so I'm absolutely over the moon. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you have a fabulous day. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until next time, bye for now.